There are 100 women contesting for one seat. That was my experience. When I sent for a Panchayat Raj conference in Bhubaneswar, I had 27,000 women elected representatives in that Panchayat conference. 27,000. From the Panchayat onwards to Naib Churches, to the Panchayat Raj, members, vice chairman, all of them, 27,000. So there will not be any dearth of women representatives. One, we have the system changed as we are proposing today in this bill. To start with,
Quiet.
Please,
I am rather
lot of
worried
noise in the house. Please,
because the House has to have 50% of members present. I see all the
BJP,
seats are vacant.
Congress.
BJP, Congress, all are vacant.
Minister खुला था.
रूलिंग पार्टी
please.
Including us.
इधर क्यों हाथ दिखा?
All us.
But not us. Left parties are present.
Left parties are there.
Here.
Our party is vacant. Your party is vacant. What is the use of making speeches here? What is the use of making speeches here?
10% represent.
Because this will not go through at all.
Order, please.
You don't have 50%.
Please. Mr.
of
Jain,
members present.
please.
So how can we go through? And Srimati Sushma Swaraj, where are your men? एक हाथ हो गया. 168 people. Better call all of them.
Baba, you have 160.
Mr.
Rally, it will be passed.
बोलते हैं तो गुनो दे. बोलो तो. Yes.
Dada, you please.
Put the same for all people.
Order, please. Order.
We are also summoning our people. You also summon your people and let us all this.
You may-
Both sides, all sides.
Honorable member, kindly speak on the bill
I
now.
am also sending for our people.
Your people.
हमने भेजा है. अरे भाई तुम्हारा लीडर ही नहीं है. ऐसा बात करते हो लीडर का है. यहाँ बैठा है. लीडर अकेला बैठा है, बाकी पीछे फौज नहीं है.
कहाँ लीडर है? दिख नहीं रहे. है ही नहीं. जनता दल के
Sir, the leader of the opposition is sitting, but the leader of the house is missing. President of the sporting party is missing. All the central ministers are missing. Where are all those leaders? Where are those?
May I request the honorable member not to provoke them? Your number of people are absent here. You may kindly confine to the subject. You provoke instead of.
बोले ना अपना असल पॉइंट है.
It only shows that this bill is not going to be passed today. Because we don't have the numbers. It's as simple as that. Now we have to have 50% members. Of that, 2/3 must be present in voting. It is not there. Anyhow, since I've stood up to speak, I'll speak a few words. We started when I was in the government in 1991. We had the Panchayat Raj established long before this parliament passed the bill.
Yeah.
We had it established. And there we had given 1/3 proportion to the women. Now what I want to tell you is this. Women कहाँ से मिलेंगे? नहीं आएंगे? इतना कहाँ से मिलेंगे? Moment there was reservation, there was a parade of women claiming to be chair.
Yeah.
Right from there, right from the bottom level. There are 100 women contesting for one seat. That was my experience. When I sent for a Panchayat Raj conference in Bhubaneswar, I had 27,000 women elected representatives in that Panchayat conference. 27,000. from the panchayat onwards to naib status, to the panchayat raj,
That's why yes.
members, vice chairman, all of them, 27,000. So there will not be any dearth of women representatives. One, we have the system changed as we are proposing today in this bill. Now, the other thing is, it is true that only a few ladies are getting elected here by their own strength. Very few. By and large, ladies are not being encouraged by men. That is normal. What they talk of male chauvinism or whatever you call it. It is there. Unless there is reservation for them, they will never come up. Like the reservation there is for SC and ST, they have come up. There are hundreds of ST and ST in the parliament, in the legislature, everywhere. In the cabinet and everywhere. They were there. Therefore, they must have an opportunity to come to the parliament, to Rajya Sabha. There are difficulties. How will you elect members for Rajya Sabha? But first thing I think we should get,
Directly.
that's a lady who wins on her own rights. She doesn't depend on anybody. Huh? So I would suggest, Mr. Chairman, if we have the requisite numbers, let us pass the bill today.
Yes.
धक्का कहाँ से आगे आगे तो है नहीं भटक के साथ. So I think you should give a call to everybody to be present here, sir.
Yes.
The chair should give a call.
पकड़ के ले आओ.
सबको पकड़ कर ले आओ, बोलो इनको सबको पकड़ के ले आए. Then only we can pass this bill, otherwise not. Thank you very much.